How big are the objects in our universe? Let us start with relatively small worlds and slowly increase the scale to sizes that are almost impossible to imagine. We begin with Ceres, the largest object in the asteroid belt and a dwarf planet. It is about 950 kilometers across. Compared with Earth, Ceres is tiny, but this is only the beginning. As we move farther through the scale, the objects become dramatically larger. This is the Moon. Its diameter is about 3,500 kilometers. It looks enormous until we place it next to the objects that come next. This is Callisto, one of Jupiter's largest moons. Its diameter is about 4,800 kilometers. Now we have Mercury. It is only slightly larger than Callisto, but this time we are looking at a real planet. Mars has a diameter of about 6,800 kilometers, but even Mars looks small compared to Earth. Venus is almost the same size as Earth. Its diameter is around 12,000 kilometers, and this is Earth, our home. Its diameter is about 12,700 kilometers, but the real scale is only beginning. Kepler-22b is an exoplanet almost twice the size of Earth. Neptune is almost 4 times wider than Earth. Its diameter is around 50,000 kilometers, and Uranus is even larger. Then comes Saturn, a giant more than 116,000 kilometers wide. But next to it appears Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, nearly 140,000 kilometers across. But planets are nowhere near the limit. This is Proxima Centauri, the closest known star to our Sun. Even this relatively small star is much larger than Jupiter. Now we reach the Sun. Its diameter is about 10 times that of Jupiter, and yet the Sun is just one ordinary star among billions. Sirius is already significantly larger than the Sun. It is one of the brightest stars visible in our night sky. And now, Vega, its size is even greater. We are moving from the scale of planets to the scale of giant stars. Arcturus is already tens of millions of kilometers across, and Rigel is even larger. At this scale, the familiar dimensions of our solar system begin to seem incredibly small. Rigel is a massive blue supergiant, hundreds of times wider than the Sun. Betelgeuse is an enormous red supergiant, hundreds of times larger than the Sun. And here comes Canis Majoris, an enormous red hypergent star. Its size is so immense that our Sun would look like a tiny dot beside it. Uiscudi, one of the largest known stars. Anc 1277, a galaxy with a supermassive black hole. Ton 618, one of the most massive known black holes. Cat Si Nebula, a planetary nebula. Helix Nebula, one of the closest planetary nebulae. Orion Nebula, a huge star-forming region. Omega Centauri, the largest globular cluster in the Milky Way. Small Magellanic Cloud, a dwarf galaxy orbiting the Milky Way. The Milky Way, our galaxy. EC 1101, one of the largest known galaxies. The Boötes Void is one of the largest known empty regions in the universe. The universe is everything that exists, billions of galaxies, stars, planets, and enormous cosmic structures.